Hey everyone! Did you know you can change the audio language of some YouTube videos? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step so you can enjoy videos in your preferred language. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and play the video you want to watch. For this example, I'm using a MrBeast video, but you can try this with any video that supports multiple audio tracks. Once the video is playing, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the video settings. Now tap on Audio Track. By default, it might be set to English, but if the video supports it, you'll see other options like Hindi, Spanish, or Portuguese. Tap on the language you want. I'll select Hindi in this case, and the audio will switch instantly. Pretty cool, right? Keep in mind, not all videos offer multiple audio tracks. This depends on the creator and whether they've added support for different languages. You can also change subtitles by tapping on Captions in the same settings menu and choosing your preferred language. And that's it. Now you can enjoy YouTube videos in the language that works best for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.